Energetic background music plays. Presenter stands in a bright, stylish studio with fitness props in the background. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Healthy Horizon, your go-to spot for fitness and health tips. Today, we're uncovering 5 celebrity weight loss secrets. These are the tips Hollywood stars swear by, but do they actually work for the rest of us? Let's find out, and don't miss tip number 5, it might surprise you. Segment 1: Intermittent Fasting. Hugh Jackman. Clip of Hugh Jackman training for Wolverine plays. Presenter. First, we have Hugh Jackman, aka Wolverine. His secret: intermittent fasting. He follows the 16-to-8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window to help burn fat. Cut to presenter. Does it work? Studies say yes. It can help with weight loss by managing calorie intake and improving insulin sensitivity, but it's not for everyone. If you have low blood sugar or irregular eating patterns, talk to a professional first. Segment 2: Plant-based diet. Bianca. Clips of Bianca performing flash on screen. Presenter. Queen Bey swears by a plant-based diet. Before her Coachella performance, she eliminated meat, dairy, and processed foods to get into top shape. Cut to presenter. Plant-based diets are nutrient-rich and can aid weight loss, but balance is key. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods, and you don't have to cut out animal products entirely to see benefits. Segment 3: Apple cider vinegar. Kim Kardashian. Photo of Kim Kardashian with a fitness backdrop. Presenter. Kim Kardashian starts her day with water and apple cider vinegar, claiming it boosts metabolism and aids digestion. Cut to presenter. While it might help regulate blood sugar, it's no magic bullet. Overuse can damage your teeth and stomach lining. Stick to 1 tablespoon diluted in a full glass of water if you want to try it. Segment 4: High-intensity interval training. Jennifer Lopez. Clips of J.Lo working out and dancing. Presenter. Jennifer Lopez credits her fit physique to high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Short bursts of intense exercise followed by recovery keep her in shape. Cut to presenter. HIIT works wonders for calorie burn and metabolism. It's efficient, adaptable, and great for anyone with a busy schedule. Whether it's running, cycling, or bodyweight exercises, there's a HIIT routine for you. Segment 5: Detox teas. Various celebrities. A montage of detox tea ads from influencers and celebs. Presenter. And finally, detox teas endorsed by so many celebrities. These promise quick weight loss and body cleansing. Cut to presenter. Serious tone. Most detox teas are glorified laxatives. They can cause temporary water loss, but won't lead to sustainable fat loss. Plus, they can dehydrate you. Skip the teas and focus on hydration and clean eating instead. Closing scene: upbeat music fades in. Presenter smiles at the camera.